Fagan, and of course I got Johnny and Andrea McDaniel. Standing behind number 80, he is a senior, we've confirmed that. Standing behind Josh Grosselin, I have Mary and Reginald Grosselin. Round of applause, everybody. They've been driving the kids to football practice for years. Standing behind number 95, I am with Alan Thomas IV, the father of Alan Thomas. Round of applause, yeah! I am now behind number 9, Josh Davidson, accompanied by Michael and Julia Davidson, mom and dad. Standing behind our injured David Silver, I would like to introduce his mom, Rebecca Johnson. And a football family that needs no introduction. With David Martinez, number 25, one of our captains, we have David and Rosa Martinez, parents of Poppy Martinez. That is your parent night recognition and activities. We're going to bring the color guard out to the field. Special thanks to Mr. McCoy and the Warrior Band. Pretty soon we'll be having the coin toss. Pop E. Martinez, and number 5, Antoine Flash Fagan, giving the handshake. You see Colonel Terry Hodges, accompanied by Command Sergeant Major Abbott, representing USAJ 2K. The income symbol for the Army Committee of Excellence, which is U.S. Army Garrison AQ for 2009 and soon to be 2010, will be head. The backside here, which it says Army Committee of Excellence for 2009, is that's tail. Do we understand? It's time to get ready for this educational thing here.
Generally, you guys have that sound pretty funny too. Was he on the way out, or was he coming in?
The call was tails.
He's pretty cool. He seems real mellow and real talkative.
It is tails. Soul has won the toss. And has.
I got some good pictures I give to my son. See, sir, you gotta have your picture taken. All right.
Put all this rubber stuff in these camera straps to make it so it doesn't slip. Then when you want to move it, it sticks.
Here's your Warriors. American Football High School, number 32, Alexander, number 25. Balls away. In between, splits the up. There he goes. 32 took it to the Falcon side of the field. Antoine hits him out of sideline. Got the quarterback under center. Dead ball. Dead. Number 3's back to pass. Good throw in this game. Number 8 there. Here in Korea, freshmen and seniors all play on the same field. Hand off inside. Perhaps thrown for a loss by one of the captains, Christian Hillman. Falcons sticking with the running game, going off tackle. Going to the punt formation. The team, Eugene So back there. Warriors use their normal punt returner. Number 25, senior and captain David Martinez. Almost blocked, short punt, end over end by the Falcon sideline. They do go with a full backfield. There goes Flash Fagan. Low snap, punch snap. Who landed on it? Gains of possession. Falcons get the ball. Warriors on defense. Falcons going old school, quarterback under center. Give it to the halfback, 3 yards off the left tackle. Second down, 5 yards to go. Quarterback keeps. Good blocking. Full backfield, short pass. Almost a hard defensive edge hand. Wrapped up. 32 in motion. And he takes the ball. There's Lampman again, number 55. Formation, back to the Warriors, Martinez. Eugene Stowe, he picks it up. Oh, he's going to run it. Oh, no. Still behind the line of scrimmage. Change the possession and first down, Warriors. Gives it to Fagan. Ruffalo in motion. Third down. 3 yards to go, Falcons. Correction. Rifleman. Flat, broken up. Trey Griffin, the rifleman back, fakes one way, pumps away, throws it on the nice spiral. Falcons on the 29-yard line. Run to the side of the field. They're going with their speedster. That was Morton on the center, quick handoff. Ball on the ground. Football. Martinez in motion. Fake to him instead, handed off to Flash. Flash brought down by 5, Falcons. The rifleman fakes one way. Instead goes for Martinez. Kelly Field. Warriors going twins right, twins left. Passing play, short pass. Good defense by number 21. Flash Fagan, a quarterback. Ball goes through his hands. Does the smart thing. Morton on the center. This time Speedy, number 28, senior. Teams in Korea, Falcons, Warriors going Iron Man football, playing both ways. Morton on the center. First handoff, stacked up by Tegu. motion for the Falcons. Anyone in motion? Dead ball. Falcons sticking with the running attack, queuing up the clock. Falcons in a tight formation. Instead, we're going to pass. Hit and hit hard. Last taken back to quarterback. Trying something different at 55. Linebacker and now. Flat fake and a quarterback high snap. He brings it down. Goes behind the blocking of number 15. Martinez in motion. Fake to him. Mistake. Martinez in motion. Hands off to Martinez. Halfback pass. He's open.
By the dugout, they have programs, good ones with the pictures. Here we go, game on. Left one has the ball, pitches to fade, and there's Flash, moves to the inside. Switch up at quarterback, this time it's Fagan, going up the middle. 11 minutes in the half. Rifleman from the shotgun, another high snap. He does that thing again with Fagan. Go, Flash, go! Touchdown, Tegu.
Nobody around, Trey. There you go.
There's the kick. The 25, bring it back up the middle. Number 12. Pass to the inside. Tight spiral from Morton, number 3. Freshman Morton trying to do that. Falcons with a crowded backfield. Number 9 running hard.
Thanks.
A lot of activity on that play. Morton's back to pass. Short little pass. Interception. Trey Griffin, the rifleman, back in the shotgun. This time the flash. They've seen this play. All the way. All state in good hands, Buckland. Away. A little bit over number 8's head. Good pattern, Josh. I don't see a T. I don't see a punter. Taylor's going for it. High snap again. Rifleman makes a move.
Halftime will also be homecoming activities. Delay snap, down number 28, he's back, there he goes. I've seen him run before. Moves to the outside. Man in motion. Lots of motion. This time number 6 keeping on the quarterback keeper. He cuts back. It's working. He makes another cut. Brings it back, hands it off. Tried to hide the ball, but handed it off. Once again, ball's on the 30-yard line. Falcons are set. Quick handoff up the middle. Number 21, Jamal James. 4th down, Falcons. I see number 17, he's punted before. Eugene So. Alan Moore's decision is time on the field. Falcons. I see number 5, Antoine Flash Fagan. On the audible at the line of scrimmage. Try to bust to the outside.
Hello.
Falcons sniffed that one out.
Hello? Yeah.
Number 28, Speedy Lionel Curry shooting in there, making a tackle. He's a senior.
Sitting down, up and down, like 11,000. Yep.
Martinez has it. Junior trying to make some moves. Short game.
Stadium's plus 55. Yeah, you should see some Browns. You could go right out to me.
Rifleman gets the ball. Quick handoff to Flash. Number 25, David Junior Martinez back for the kick.
Right.
Picks it up off the ground. Again,
7-0.
he's assuming kick. One knee on the ground.
2 minutes left in the half. Okay. Well, yeah, let's see.
I have a special announcement. Everybody can hear me. I'm looking for anybody in the Judge family. I need to talk to somebody from the family, last name Judge. Come out here and talk to me. I have something that belongs to you. First down, Seoul American High School, Falcon, number 60.
What time you got to pick him up?
Number 32 in slow motion. Then it goes to him. Now he picks it up. Yeah, he picked it up. Down, Falcons. Trying to make these points up. 1 minute 30 left.
Okay.
Morton, number 8, he cut back.
Later.
Martinez brings him down with one arm. To go to make that first down. Number 21 goes off tackle. Few missed tackles. Short gain. Number 99, Demetrius Williams. And made that yardage up. Clock has started. It'll be second down. That play counts. Second down. Second down. Falcons trying to score. Tie this thing up. From the shotgun, Morton throws it up for number 6. Trip just before the ball got there. Go for the first down. Souls thinking end zone. See? Back to the end zone. High pass. Lost it in the light. Souls going for the field goal. So he's the punter and the kicker and just 1 foot short. Taking a knee, keeping it safe. There we go, that's the half. Thanks to other boosters like Darian Lampman, David and Rosa. Boosters helping sell items. Marlene, Rosalie. 17 kicks off. Pretty good kick. Flash Fagan got it. He likes to bounce back outside. He's over here. He's coming closer, closer. He makes one move. Go flash, go. Referee Mike Bird gives the signal for touchdown, 6 points for the Warriors, no penalty. Rifleman. Ball hit the ground, bounced back up to his arms. Tegu, 13, Soul. Christian Dawes kicking. Ball's on the ground, off the ground. We'll run around the end. Morton on the center. Shoestring tackle, he breaks away. He's down. So third quarter. This time it's number 6. Weiss brings him to the inside, makes number 6 cut inside again, Johnson. Tackle play. Gray go in, Tebow out. He's gonna pass. Same thing as before. Interception. Number 80 for Christian. He's going. Good tackling by number 6. Freshmen, 2 seniors. They all play on the same field. Gosselin in motion. It's his night. He's going around the end. Short game against Tegu. Rifleman in the shotgun. That means it's trips right, and he throws. Could be the catch of the game. Great hand. Once again, trips. Goes deep. There's Gosselin. 10 yards to go. Second and 10, man in motion, that's Martinez. We've done this play before. Halfback sweep, this side. Keiko makes a shift, Lampman in motion, ball bumbles, fumbling. Rifleman, he's got twins left, twins right. He put his head down, he broke 3 tackles. He's going. Rifleman in the shotgun. Good snap. Low throw. They go in double twins formation. The pass formation goes short to Rice. Runs to the soul side of the field. Brought down out of bounds by another speedy. High snap. Rifleman still got it. Passes deep. This part of the field. Great defense by number 25. First down, first and goal to go. Tegu. Quick snap. Rifleman keeps it. Martinez in motion. Fake to him instead. Hand off to the halfback. Rifleman takes the snap. He's going to keep it. I see the flag. Personal foul. Face mask. Great snap. Quick pitch to Poppy. He got it. Close. He got it in. Mike Bird makes the call. Did not get in. Falcons in their own end zone. Handoff. 1 foot gain for number 21 by Iron Man. Both ways, a lot of older players, senior players. Morton on the center. Again, that quick pitch off tackle. To number slow motion. They've done this play before off tackle. It's worked before. Steve Martinez, number 25, back to receive the punt. Number 17, Eugene So, he's a senior. Running out of room to punt from. High snap, what's the deal? Gets it away towards the sideline.
Good job, defense! Good job! There's the good job,
Trey Griffin, the rifleman, in the shotgun position. Anthony Lampman. He's not there to block, he's there to run. Tegu in the spread. Again to Lampman. He's a linebacker, likes to run, fumbles it, and gets his own fumble. .45, Josh Yates, senior. for Soul in on the tackle. This is the last home game of the year or the playoff. Tegu again in the spread. There's that pass. The band's into it. Tegu, you get into it. He's got time. Good blocking. Rifleman short pass. Left. So you go in the spread, short shift. Shifter becomes a blocker. A little bit. Once again, Morton tucks under the center. Possession game, 21. Outside, high tackle. Again, number 80, Gosselin. Pass it away, going deep, tight spiral. Offensive penalty. Correction, defensive penalty. Yards marked from the line of scrimmage. Again, a quick pitch off the big number 32, Alexander. He's not going down too easy. Quick to support the boosters. I know that. 48 shifts to the I formation. Find that hard count again. This time they go counter. Counter off the guard. Sophomore. Man, Shane Conway. Also, I know we've lost a cell phone. It's white and pink. If you've lost your cell phone or found one, come see me. Back to the action. Morton under the center. Tries that hard bark. High tackle. We're hitting out there. That penalty hurt. Helping the Falcons running up there. Trying to punch it in. Put a dent in that 13-0 score. That's right, Tegu. Put your hands together. They need you.
Let's go, Warrior!
Referees back in the field. Mike Bird starts the clock. And the power eye, they still go with the run for 6 or 5 or 6 points. Power eye formation. Sticking with that run, it worked before. Touchdown, Soul. Going for the 2-point after. They like that run up the middle. That's why. 25, Martinez. 6, Griffin. Back deep for the Warriors. Number 17. Got a good leg. There it is. Gives it to Martinez. He's dangerous. Couple of moves, couple of spins. Number 82 wraps him up. That big melting horn for the Falcons. Josh Davison Sr. coming out there. Both teams substituting freely due to injuries. Trey Griffin in the shotgun. This time to number 9. He just came in. Made it back to the line of scrimmage. Wrapped up by the 21, Jamal James. Falcons defense getting fired up out there by the defensive captains. Under 7 minutes left to go in this contest. Warriors with a different look. Martinez in the flats. He cuts it back up. Horn and there's the reverse. Josh has it. He got the yard. He dragged the man past. That play went inside because Antoine Fagan is... Antoine Fagan is back in the game with a throw. Closely covered. That play, as painful as it seemed, resulted in a first down. Man in motion, Gosselin wrapped up by Horn. I remember that number 82 now. Flag on the play. Dead ball. Delay. Warriors in the spread. They like that. That means Lampman has some room to run up the middle. Horn coming over to make that tackle again. Antoine Fagan in the backfield. And we have dead ball, illegal. High snap brought down by the rifleman. He's going to throw it again. Christian has it. Was that the play they needed? Flash in motion, fake the flash. He turns into a blocker for the rifleman. Number 64, Jonathan Rodriguez right there. He's a sophomore. Dead ball, delay a game. Warriors in the spread, another high snap. Rifleman brings it down. There's the pass. behind the intended receiver, Gosselin. He's going to punt it. It's going to pooch punt short, as it should be. Wrapped up. Tegu going for the fumble, but it doesn't happen. Trying that run play up the middle. He bounces off 1, 3, 4. Finally, number 17, the new guy, Ryan, wraps him up. That's 21, Jamal James. Running plays, take time off the clock. Falcons in the power eye. Little bit of a deception play. Not too much deception for David Martinez. He slowed that thing down. Officials timeout on the field. Down. Third down, 7 yards to go. 3rd and 7. Yards back. Repeat the down, still 3rd down, but now it's going to be 3rd down and 13. 3rd and 13. Number 12, Chris Reed comes off. High snap for Morton. Deep pass. Rice over there. He gave him a little more room than last time. Good defensive play. Nice try, number 30. Eric Williams. Tegu 1 minute away from being undefeated with a 4-0 record. I hear whistles. Timeout. High snap. He's going to have to pass. It's a deep pass. Ball, 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 ball. Who got it? It hit the ground. Good defense, no penalty. Change of possession. Tegu football. Thanks, everybody. Be safe.